In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can save your favorite elements in Canva. If you haven't been using the same element over and over again, I think it's a good sign to actually just save that element into a safe folder, and then later you can reach to that folder and then retrieve that element back and then put that into your new design. So this is going to save your time and it will make the whole designing process a lot quicker. And here's how you can save or basically bookmark that element. First, you have to find the element that you want to bookmark. I'm going to visit elements and I'm going to search for, let's say, a tree icon or tree animation or graphics. Let's navigate to graphics and I'm going to try to save one of these search results. Now I'm still waiting. What's happening with the internet? Okay, it took me longer than I expected. But let's say I want to save this tree icon. In order to save that, I have to hover the cursor above this icon and then click on this menu and then select star. This is the menu that allows you to save this item into a star folder. But where do you find that star folder? Well, you can go to projects, and after that, on the folder section, you can see there is a folder called Start. When you open it, you will see all the elements, all the designs that you have started before. Everything will be stored in here, and when you need any of them, you can always reach them and you can click on an icon or an element and then it will be inserted into your document. So this process is going to help you a lot and it will save your time when designing with Canva. So anyway, that's how you can save or bookmark an element in Canva. If you find this video to be helpful, please consider subscribing to this channel and I'll see you on the next video.